Hello guys, today's do-it-yourself vlog video, we're going to be showing you my master bedroom update. Now, if that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, family, to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Now you guys, let's get this video started. This is my prior master bedroom tour. You should have saw this video a few days ago, but I'm just bringing this room tour back to give you an update to the space where I have added in the bedding, the coverlet, and also different pillow covers. As you can see, these yellow here is a little bit different. I did use a lemongrass, it's called, color that I purchased. I'm going to make sure I include all of my upcoming links for what I'm adding into the space in my description. This portion of the video is sponsored by Italic. Luxury without labels, their slogan. Now you guys, I ordered the organic European flax linen sheet set in the color white. They also come in cream, gray, and coal as well. Now as I do the unboxing, please make sure you check out Italic website link. I'm going to drop the item link in the description box as well. Now you guys, not only did I receive this fabulous faux linen sheet set, but they also sent me a complimentary free gift, and you will get one with each qualifying purchase. And I received that fine print serum mist, which is an instant added skin exfoliant, you guys. I did play around with it, and I'm gonna come back and let you know in about a week or so how does it feel. But this organic European flax linen sheet set, you guys, I'm telling you, it is 100% European flax linen. It's XOXO certified, organic, hypoallergenic, pre-wash, and thermal regulating. This sheet set also comes in several different sizes. You can get it in twin, full, queen, king, or like myself, California king. Apart from the elegant look and the gorgeous texture, their flax linen is 160 GSM, which makes it very durable and great for sensitive sleepers. And it also has a seamless fit. Now too, you guys, the XOXO certified linen is the gold standard for material cleanliness, which ensures every component of the product label is tested to be free of high levels of 100 substances or chemicals, making it safe for people and the environment. Now, as we add the bedding to the bed, make sure you stay tuned to the end as we show you a couple more items that will be featured here in this video as well. Now once again, make sure you do check out Italic. Their information is down in my description. They also make their sheets thermal regulated, which makes it super breathable for the summer, but still heavy enough to insulate during the winter, so you'll stay warm. The perfect year-round bedding. Flax linen benefits is that it's quick drying. If you're like myself, I tell you guys, my head sweats, but with these sheets here, I can literally lay on the sheets, you guys, and don't even have to worry about the head sweats, because the linen dries so quickly so that it does not let sweat hold to your body. So not only is one of the benefits of this flax linen sheet set that is quick drying, but it also gets softer and more supple after each wash. So you guys, the more you sleep on the sheets, lay on the sheets, use them and wash them, you guys, they get softer and softer. And I did tell you before, you guys, they do come pre-washed. I still wash mine before I put it on the bed, but I'm telling you, this is a product that I actually would recommend 100 times over. Now you guys, for the care of this organic European flax linen sheet set, it is best if you wash it on cold cycle and also tumble dry it on low. It's recommended for you not to use bleach on it as well. Now you guys, Italic also has over 33 sleep products, so make sure you check out that description and make sure you check out their site to see what's on their site as well. Thank you, Italic, for reaching out to me to sponsor this portion of the video. Now you guys, we're going to continue making this bed, but like I say, stay tuned because I got a couple more things to show you here before we show you this updated master bedroom space. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're so glad to have you here. Now, if you're not a part of the Glam Queen DIY family, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, then you'll know every time that we're uploading. We do upload on Sundays at 2 p.m., Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 4:45 p.m. We also upload on other days as well as bonuses and parts of collaborations. Now, if you're just tuning in, you may be wondering, what do you get here on Glam Queen DIY? I would tell you guys, the name says it all. You get an overload of glam DIY room decor ideas, DIY home decor ideas, wall decor DIYs, a little bit of budget renovations, and a tad bit of home decor as well. So if all of that sounds interesting, make sure you do become part of the family. Also, share the channel with anyone and everyone that you think would like this type of content. And also too, if you're not a part of the Glam Queen other branded channels, make sure you check out the Glam Queen of Decor. That link is in the description. And to you guys, if you're a returning family member or you're just new to this channel, Glam Queen of Decor will be changing its name to Her Home. You're going to be seeing that change already, but you're going to be getting a overload of content coming back to the channel within the next week, you guys. So be on the lookout for that. And on Her Home, you do get uploads on Sundays at 5 p.m., Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on Her Home, you get anything luxury glam lifestyle, home decor hauls, chat with me, get ready with me. You get all of that. So please make sure you do check out Her Home. And to you guys, this bedspread was purchased from Amazon, and it is the Exclusivo Mass Cloth. It's a 3-piece yellow king size quilt set, and you guys, it comes with the bedspread and 2 pillow shams as well. This is actually used for all season. You guys, these are very, very lightweight, and you can use them, like I say, all season, summer, winter, spring, and fall. They're very breathable. It's 100% microfiber, which is ultra soft, so you can enjoy a restful night's sleep with it as well. It is actually adds perfect decoration for your home. As you can see, and I'm using it to add a pop of yellow on the bed for my decor styling. This bed set provides a color choice as well. They have several different colors. The coverlet with classic geometric box pattern designs. So make sure you check out that link for that coverlet or bedspread for Amazon. And to you guys, we're also bringing to you these pillow covers. You know, I dress up my home with pillow covers, and I always use 26 by 26 pillows most of the time, you guys. But this is a new item. Normally, you guys, I pay $25.99 for my set of 2 pillow covers. Well, I found another seller on Amazon as well, and it is called the BBN store. Make sure you check them out. And they do have the pillow covers. Right now they have like a total of 9 different colors, but this yellow is called lemon yellow. It is a perfect match, and once again it's a 24 by 24, and it's you guys, the zipper self-close, so you don't actually see the zipper once you zip it up. It also elevates your home style with this plush velvet cover. They're very eco-friendly. I mean, the zipper is seamless. It's the right word, you guys. And like I say, they got different color variations. For best results, I would advise make sure you wash your accessories before use. As you can see here, I didn't for the sake of the video, but I did come back and actually wash everything like I normally do. And you guys, that white one came from Amazon as well, but that is Nestle. Now you guys, we're getting ready to show you the reveal. I hope I inspired you with this master bedroom refresh. Out to me to sponsor a portion of this video. And you guys, now if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Please don't forget to follow GlamQueenofDIY and her home. Links down in the description.